Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get iPhone iOS keyboard on the Motorola Moto X40. To do this, we'll need to open a Google Play Store. Now in the search, find app called Green Apple Keyboard. We can install it. When it's ready, tap on the open. Enable it in the settings like this. Switch input method to English Green Apple Keyboard. Then click Finished, and then now if we open our keyboard in Messages for this example, we can see that the keyboard changed to something like iOS or iPhone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.